Hi, this video here is dedicated to graphing linear equations when the equation is given to you in point-slope form. We have an assumption here that you are familiar with point-slope form, so if you are not familiar with that, you need to review that first. So what do we have here? We have this equation, y minus 2 equals 1/2 times x plus 3. That line is going to pass through point -3, 2. And the slope of that line is going to be 1/2, which means you're going to go 1 unit up and 2 to the right because both numbers are positive, right? Unlike graphing lines that are in slope-intercept form, this is going to be your starting point. So we're going to go to -3, 2 first. That's this point. And then from that point, you are going to go 1 up and 2 to the right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so please remember this line has positive slope, so the line should be rising, and it is rising, and that is our line. Example 2, y plus 3 equals 2 times x minus 1. Our point here is going to be 1, -3, and the slope here is 2, which we are going to write as 2 over 1. It's positive 2 over positive 1, up and to the right. 1, -3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Remember, you can do it as many times as you want. You can get a bunch of points. They are all going to be on the same line anyway. And there we go. Example 3, there's one minor thing that I need to address. It does say just y, no y minus or y plus something. So the way we're going to view that is going to be y minus 0, because you do need the y-intercept. I'm sorry, you do need some point, and the point is going to have two coordinates, one's x, one's y. And that's going to mean that the y coordinate is going to be 0. So our point here is going to be -4, 0. Our slope is positive 3, which you're going to write as 3 over 1, positive 3, positive 1. So from point -4, 0, which is right there, -4, -4, 0, right? No, I'm sorry, -4, 0 is over here. So -4, 0, and from that point I'm gonna go 3 units up, 1 to the right, 3, 1, 3, 1. Again, you can do it as many times as you want. And there's the line. And finally, a similar situation in example 4, except it's with 0. So what we do here is we're going to treat it as x minus 0 here. So our point is going to be 0, 6. The slope is going to be -2/5. So we remember when we graph lines and the slope is negative, we're going to move that negative to the top or the bottom, whichever way it's going to work better. So in this case, we're going to go down 2 units and 5 to the right. 0, 6. It's right there. And -2 down, so 2 down, and then 5 to the right. 2 down, 5 to the right. Okay. So we are going to connect the points now. And there it is. Okay. So that's all there is to it. I hope this helps.